Good morning, biscuits. Oh yeah. I hope your day is starting off wonderfully. Oh, I have only one hair clip that I can find in the whole house, and my hair is not being agreeable. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna have some chocolate oatmeal with strawberries, homemade. I mean, strawberries aren't, but the oatmeal is. Oh, look, we have a tree in here. I'm setting up for my burlesque photo shoot. So today I'm doing a curbside pickup of some more things that I need for my background, because I'm trying to, limit my store exposure. It's gonna look so nice. In fact, I'll show you at the end of the day when we're done setting it up. I'm so excited, Today I have way too much on my plate, as so many of us do. I have to finish editing today's video, today's vlog, and get that up and going, because then I have to get going, pick up the backdrop supplies. I need to do a few like fresh fruits and veggies grocery shops, and not like a big one, but perishables that I can't bulk buy. And then we get to drive by and say happy birthday to my nephew who's turning 3. Both nephews actually in the next 2 days. One turns 3, one turns 1. So we get to say happy birthday and kind of carefully put their presents out, where they can like sanitize them. What weird times. There's a whole thing in the family of who can drive by and be close, and if we go meet up at a park to say happy birthday, which is what we're thinking we might do, keeping everybody far apart. Because my brother-in-law is super strict on, oh, is that blinking? I can't, it looks like it's blinking. On keeping the kids from interacting, other than saying hello. So it's gonna be a tricky thing, but it's gonna be nice to see everybody and go happy birthday, because, first birthdays only come once, as do third birthdays. But that's kind of piled up, all my stuff that I've got to get done today. Oh my goodness, yes. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I ran out of bowls. This is gonna be an honest mom moment, biscuits. I ran out of bowls, so we are eating our chocolate oatmeal strawberries in some paper bowls I have from camping. Oh no, and I just spilled some milk. Oh. I'm gonna go get myself a towel to tidy that up. Oh, I thought I'd give you an update. Let me show you. Hold on, I have some milk on my fingers So this is my current flooring. Yep. It gets even better. I'll show you, the entire closet is completely torn out on the bottom. So that's what that looks like right now. You can see in to the shower. And then my bathroom is my shower is 50% ripped out. Let's see if I can show you. So yeah, that's like my door to the bedroom that you can see through. So it's, it's interesting looking, but it's gonna get done. It's gonna get done. I have to let people in my house to do it. But we have the tiles for it. I have to buy the grout, and then the tile contractor is going to do the tiling, because it's a bigger project than I can do, because they have to rebuild some stuff that structurally wasn't working. So yeah, so that's on next week, the end of next week. We're going to be getting that done. So it feels far away, but I know it's going to get here really quickly. And I'm just so excited that that's the beginning. It's not going to get totally done. It's going to get the plumbing fixed and the backboard waterproofing done, and then in December my tiles go in. So by the middle of December I should have a working shower. I won't have flooring by December because that's turning into a bigger, more costly project than I had thought it was going to be. So I think that maybe by January I'll have flooring. I hate not having flooring and walling and all that. But there's only so much I can schedule in and budget for and figure out. So I think January, February, which is crazy, is when the flooring will get done, more than likely. I just want it to be done before baby gets here. And February is inching into baby could come at any moment. And so I really want the flooring done. Because that's just no fun. But it'll look nice when it's done. I'm gonna have to paint the wall. I'm gonna paint it like a really beautiful library green kind of hue We'll see. I think that's gonna look good. Okay, my hair clip is just not staying up today. I give up. All right, let's get this day started. I gave you my rant, but I wanted to show you what everything looks like. I need to get my towel to mop up some spilled milk. No use crying over that. Ooh, boom. Fantastic. Let's get this day started. Hello. We're picnicking in the car. We got here before everybody for the park socially distant hello birthday thing. And we thought we would have a little bit of soft cheese and rolls because it's too cold. It's 41 degrees right now and it's really damp, so it's just too cold to want to eat outside and picnic. So I thought, well, we'll picnic here and it'll be perfectly fun and tasty. I brought some extra napkins. Oh yeah, we have some applesauce.
Oh, yeah.
We've got low carby cheese sticks. We're being naughty, we're eating lots of carbs. Oh yeah, that's kind of naughty it is.
Carbs are healthy.
Carbs are super healthy.
Mom,
I was just kidding, I was just joking around. Carbs are great for you.
I think the turbo cheese healthy.
Yeah, cheese is great. It's full of protein.
But is this cheese healthy?
Yeah, it's good cheese. It's
Well,
good healthy cheese.
the yummy also.
It's yummy. Oh yeah, I love the soft cheese. In fact, we have to hide it from your aunties. Good thing they won't stand near us because they'll steal all the cheese. They're obsessed with it just like we are. Yum. We stopped by a Bevmo and we grabbed a bunch of root beers because we think for a pizza party Friday night, we're going to do homemade pizza, of course, and then we're also going to do a root beer tasting flight. So we bought a bottle each of several different types and we're going to try it out. Oh, yeah. What's like this?
I'm gonna eat it. Oh, no.
I'd be surprised if they got here. We're quite a bit early. I also came a little bit early because I wanted to do some photographs that I need to do for work. So I thought, okay, since we've driven all this way to see them. Yum. Picnic.
Yes.
That's what I should do. We made it. Okay, we're out doing photos. It's gonna be fun for you to see. It's so cold that it's killing my fresh new battery. But when you see the photos from this, you'll be like, oh, I remember when she was there. Okay, I'm gonna go put on gloves and my mask because it's freezingly cold. Brr. Bob Magoon, do you need help? You okay? He got a ball. Where is he? There he is. He's pretty excited. Okay, brr. Let's go get warm. Okay, I resisted getting warm. I just one more shot. I think we'll hopefully come back cool before my battery totally kicks in. Brr. Okay, gotta get my mask on so I can be 12 to 20 feet away from people and wave to them. Oh, it is a chilly day, Biscuits. Chilly, oh my goodness. Brr. Oh my goodness, it was very cold there. We all headed home much sooner than if it had been nice weather because all the kids were just freezing and sad and literally crying. Almost all of them just started crying at some point because they were freezing. Oh my, so we're gonna do warm bubble baths. We are gonna toast up ourselves, get under warm blankies. The groceries are mostly put away. Ooh, I bought some white popcorn in bulk because I was excited. 80 cents a pound. So I had a big amount because I thought maybe it would make some kind of caramel corn, but with the monk fruit. I've never tried that and I thought that would be fun to try. And then I got a big bag of nutritional yeast. Oh, hello. Because that goes on our popcorn and in our pasta. It's a fortified yeast flake that has a lot of B vitamins in it, so it can be really good for you. And B vitamins are great for, you know, immunity, brain health, and just your overall health, so it's a good thing. So I got everything else put away. Woohoo! Oh, I'm gonna do a little bit of work see-roo, and then we can just call it a night and hang out and be relaxed. I think the kids liked their birthday presents. The 1-year-old was more just looking around like, but I could tell he was gonna like his present, and his brother really liked his present. So I think that went well, and it was nice to see everybody, even from a distance. It's so funny, weird, I guess weird, to see everybody and be like, how are you doing? And you don't see, all you see is their eyes and stuff, and keeping everybody separate that's not in the same exact bubble. Although we're all we're all within our own bubbles, like we're all very cautious. Everybody works from home, and we're all just super cautious. But we still don't want to get too close because nobody wants to be a super spreader event. No way. But still, nice to see everybody. I am ready to get bundled up. I am glad I had layers on. It's so cold. It's like 39 degrees or something. It was too cold. It was too cold for Abraham. He made me get in the car. He's like, we're going home. His cousin made their parents go home too. They're like, it's freezing cold, guys. So I will see you in the next video, my biscuits. I love you. Thank you so much for subscribing, for being a part of our fabulous wholesome feed family on here, because you know what, I think it's a pretty good family. If you are looking for your Christmas festive, that was my Christmas festive shop, gifts to buy, you can always grab on to the merch shop and grab some beautiful fun mugs in regular size. And then I also do big extra large mugs for tons of hot cocoa for the whole family. It's a lovely time of year to give little practical presents that are thoughtful, right? It's not about material things, it's about little thoughtful things that make people's lives better. That's what I love, is try to put things in the merch shop that I think, oh, will make people smile, will make them happy, will make them have a little humor even in weird dark years. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. My hands are cold, but I have washed them so they do not hopefully have any Rona on them. See you in the next video, biscuits.